South Korean boy band BTS enjoys immense popularity across the globe thanks to their brilliant songs and entertaining performance. The septet Jimin, Jungkook, V, Jin, RM, Suga, and J-Hope make sure to stay connected with their fans, the BTS army, through several social media interactions as well. Speaking of Suga, the rapper is celebrating his 31st birthday on March 9. One of the prominent members of BTS, Suga has established a special position in the hearts of millions owing to his easygoing personality and exceptional songwriting skills. Early life. Although he is popularly known by his stage name Suga, the rapper's real name is Min Yoongi. Suga was drawn towards music from an early age. He started his musical aspirations when in high school, both writing songs and composing them. In a 2016 interview with Grazia magazine, he revealed, I was 13 years old and at that time I learned about MIDI on the computer for the first time. I started to write my own lyrics around that time too. And then I started to work in a studio in Daegu at the age of 17. Along with making music, Suga also arranged songs, made beats, and sold them. In the same interview, Suga disclosed that he struggled financially during his studio days. It was difficult to pay for food and transport, admitted the K-pop star. However, it was his passion for music that drove Suga to endure the situation. He began his musical career as an underground rapper under the name Gloss. The hip-hop crew he was associated with back then was called D-Town. In a collaboration, he published the song 518062 in 2010 to commemorate the Gwangju Uprising. He also had an appearance in singer Jo Won's I'm the One music video. Family life. In past interviews, Suga opened up that his family strongly opposed his love for music. In fact, his parents even got rid of his lyrical and musical notes, wanting him to apply for a government job. Introduction to BTS. Suga's first brush with BTS came in 2010 when he joined Big Hit Entertainment, now referred to as Hybe Corporation, as a trainee. Although he wanted to be a music composer and producer, the agency's CEO, Bang Si-hook, urged him to become a K-pop idol as a hip-hop group. When he officially debuted in BTS in 2017, the group was already well known for their distinctive fusion of R&B, hip-hop, and K-pop. Suga's intense and expressive rapping technique became a distinguishing feature of the group's musical style. His songs frequently discuss issues of mental health, social justice, and individual challenges. Contribution to BTS. Suga displayed his expertise on multiple BTS-made tracks. He produced songs for the group's popular albums like Wings and The Most Beautiful Moment in Life Part 1. The rapper also composed numerous hit songs including Jump, Tomorrow, and Like. His tracks were well received and were instrumental in BTS' tremendous success. Suga has a devoted fan base worldwide, referred to as Yoongi Stans. The credit goes to his talent, hard work, and dedication to his profession. His songs appeal to the youth, making him an icon of the present generation. Love for fans. Through Instagram lives and viewers' interactions, Suga remains committed to his loyal admirers. He also entertains viewers with his celebrity chat show, speaking about everything under the sun, from his early age, struggles with depression, bonding with the BTS members, and love for fans. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.